Hello, good afternoon. This is Course English Level 2 video presentation of family members. Video presentación de los miembros de la familia. Aprendiz Solange Valencia Ordóñez. Instructora Roxana María de la Cruz. This is my small family in our beautiful family photo. I cook in delicious dinner for our anniversary with my children because they for their special for me. My daughter Sarah is 7 years. My daughter helped me cook. She's acting pure potato. The baby is 9 months and her name is Isabella. She loves vegetable, but she's never in a good mood when we help her eat. How we see in photo, she's my husband. His name is Julian. He is 35 years old. She is Latin because the food we all always lunch at 2:15 in the dining room. Thank you.